Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana, what is it doing? It's not doing too much at the moment. It's just been moving sideways over the last few days within our support region here. So we have three scenarios. The bullish one needs to prove itself. It is valid. It is still what I'm watching for, but it needs to prove itself, the bullish count. The decline, the last one was in 3 waves, so it's not clearly directly bearish. So let's talk about the structures. Let's talk about the bullish one first. The bullish one allows for a wave 4 to have bottomed here on the 5th of August, then a wave 1 to the upside and an ABC to the downside. And then from here, a third wave to the upside could unfold. Obviously, it would depend a little bit on, or quite a bit actually, on the overall environment in the crypto sector. So at the moment, the sentiment is quite negative. And Bitcoin is also expected to go down lower, but Bitcoin is at a key pivot. If you watched the Bitcoin video today, well, if you haven't, then I recommend you do it. But if you did watch it, then you know that Bitcoin is deep in support and we could actually start a third wave rally to the upside from here. There is zero evidence for this at this stage. But if Bitcoin starts to break resistances, then this would be good for the yellow scenario. So to be clear, for this third wave to work out, we would need a break above resistance. It's something I'm watching for. There's a good reward to risk ratio from here, but I would personally say, due to the situation currently in the crypto sector, we need some more evidence to strongly lean towards this. Yeah, there is a really bearish scenario, which I don't really prefer. It's not very clear. It's the 1-2-1-2 scenario. In this case, we have a couple of 1-2 setups to the downside, but the first wave 2 is very, very shallow. Okay, so that is not necessarily anything that is highly likely, especially not given yesterday's not very impulsive looking decline. It looks more like a 3-wave move. So I might take it off the chart. What I find more probable as bearish scenario is the blue count, in which we've moved down in a wave 1, and this here is an ABC flat correction, and which might be building over the weekend, and it has space all the way up to $153.18. To be clear, as long as we stay below resistance, even though the C wave might go quite long, and it's only a 3-wave move, the blue count will be preferred. But if the market from here can form a 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave pullback, and I need both, then we can start to favor the yellow count. Why do I need both? Because this C wave itself would be a 5-wave move. So just having 5 waves up isn't going to give us what we need to see. At the moment, we don't need to talk about what's down here. I mean, that is too small anyway. That's too small to be anything noteworthy or meaningful. So we still have a lot to do on the side of the bulls to give us some clarity that the bears are, let's say, losing control. For now, the bears seem to be leading because this decline, well, the correction started on the 8th of August. And we haven't made any higher highs since then, and no rally has been impulsive. So until I see a first impulse, there's nothing to suggest that the yellow scenario has started a third wave to the upside. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.